Welcome to our Study Moments YouTube channel. In this video, we shall discuss about the maths of class 8 of chapter number 11, Understanding Quadrilateral of DAV book. So, let's start the explanation with solution of worksheet 1. If you doesn't see the introduction video of Understanding Quadrilateral, the video link is given in the description box and I button also. So let's start our worksheet. First we solve the question number 1. Firstly, we have to read what is question number 1. Find the sum of interior angles of hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F by dividing it into triangles. In the introduction video, I already said that the hexagon have a 6 sides and 6 angles. In this question, we have to find the sum of the interior angle of hexagon, which means sum of the all 6 interior angles of hexagon. Here we don't use the formula that I taught you in the introduction video, because that formula is only used in that place where the regular polygon is given, but here is not mentioned this is a regular hexagon, so we doesn't use. Here given that we find that by dividing it into triangles. So we firstly draw the figures. Always keeping in mind the all construction work should be done through the pencil, not pen. So I draw with pencil. Here I am draw the hexagon and name them also. Firstly, you have to, according to question, you have to draw triangles by joining the lines. So here the 3 triangles are formed. Let's draw. Here the 3 triangles are, not 3 triangles. Here are 4 triangles are formed. Firstly, we have to name all the 4 triangles like this. Triangle ABF, comma, triangle FBC, comma, triangle CFE, फिर comma, triangle CED. As we know that the sum of the triangle, sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So we have right here 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree, because here are 4 triangles and all triangles are 180 degree total angle. So here we also give reason. Here mention by using angle sum property. You have to write this by using angle sum property. the sum of all four triangles is equal to 30 degree. Hence A, B, C, D, E, F hexagon have total interior angles is equal to 720 degree. Here not ask a specific angle of hexagon, so we add all the four triangles and make it hexagon. Therefore answer of this question is 720 degree cell. Now come in the question number 2. Find the sum of interior angles of a polygon of given number of sides by using formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. I already told you in the introduction video of understanding quadrilateral these formulas, and a specific angle, to find a specific angle of regular polygon has also a formula, that is n minus 2 into 180 degree by n. N stands for number of sides. So we find only total angle of this polygon, not a specific angle. So we solve the first question, that is polygon has 12 sides. Okay, 12 sides. So put here the formulas. Firstly we write sum of interior angles is 12 sides polygon is equal to, now put the formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now solve it. N stand for number of sides of polygon. Here mentioned in question number 1 there are 12 sides, minus 2 into 180 degrees Celsius. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 into 180 degree is equal to 1800 degree. This is the answer. Now comes in the second question. How many sides? 9 sides. So here also we write same sum of interior angles of 9 sides polygon equal to, now put again formula n minus 2 into 180 degree, number of sides is 9 minus 2 into 180 degree, n minus 9 minus 2 is 7 into 180 degree. Now multiply it. Solution. I am give you to multiply in short trick. Firstly, how we do? So firstly, the one digit 7 multiply. So each time we have to multiply by each number. Firstly, we multiply by 0. We have right 0. Second, we have multiply by 8 separately. It gives 56, and we have write only ones place, and tens place is taking, and again multiply by 7 is equal to 7, and carry 5 is add in this, should be give 1260 degree Celsius. This is the answer. Okay, now we see next question. How many sides? 22 sides. Again we put formula. Firstly we mention the question number, we write same thing. Is equal to, now put formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree is equal to 22 minus 2 into 180 degree. Now 20 into 180 degree is equal to 3600 degree. This is the answer of third question. You have not seen? Now you see. Okay, this is the answer of third question. Now comes in the third question. Let's see what is third question. Find the measure of each angle of a regular octagon. As I told you, octagon have a 8 angles and 8 sides, and here should be mentioned this octagon is a regular octagon, which means all sides and all angles are equal. And here question asks that find the measure of each angle, which means a specific angles. Here find a specific angles. So we use here formulas. Firstly we write each angle of a regular octagon is equal to, now put the formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree by n. Now put the sides. Octagon have 8 side. 8 minus 2 into 180 degree by 8 is equal to 6 into 180 degree by 8. Now divide 180 and 8. It is divisible. Both are divisible by 4. So firstly we divide with 4. 45. Now 2 is left. Now 2 divide by 6. Answer is 3. Now multiply them by using my tricks, that is 3 into 5 15, 1 carry, 3 into 4 12, and add 13. Here the answer is 135 degree of each angle. This is the answer. Now comes the fourth question. What is fourth question? 4 angles of a pentagon are given and 5 fifth angle. As we know that the sum of the interior angle of pentagon is 540 degree. And here not only written, we have to, by using the formula, how does the 550 degree is the sum of the interior angle of pentagon. So formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, now put here 5. Pentagon have 5 sides, minus 2 into 80 degree. That's 3 into 180 degree. (540 degree). You have to write here also the sum of interior angle of pentagon. Now find the fifth angle. We have no the fourth angle. Here we have to find fifth angle. Right, fifth angle of pentagon is equal to 540 degree, the total angle, minus the sum of the all fourth angles. This should be mentioned here. 100 plus 170 degree plus 85 degree plus 75 degree. Now add all. 550 degree minus 100 plus 275 plus 85 degree is 360 plus 75, 435 degree. 35 degree. Now subtract. Come 105 degree. This is the fifth angle of a pentagon. Now comes in the fifth question, in which they find the value of x. What is the angle of x? Firstly, we see the figure. Here this is a pentagon, because pentagon have a 5 sides, and here also 5 sides. And as we know in the introduction video, the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So we here apply that. Here the four angles should be given, that is 100 degree, 45 degree, 40 degree, 65 degree, and the total sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360. So we have to find x is equal to 360 minus sum of the all this angle. So we solve here. Firstly, we mention the question number 5, and x is equal to 360 degree minus 100 degree plus 40 degree plus 45 degree plus 65 degree. Now add the 4 exterior angles. 360 minus 140, 185, 100, 250, 100, 250. So we write here 250. Now subtract. X is equal to 110 degree. Here this is the answer. So the first worksheet is completed of understanding quadrilateral. In this study moment channel you see all the solution explanation of class 8 of DAV books of all subjects. Okay, keep learning, stay connected. Thank you for watching.